I'm excited but slightly hesitant at this sneaker we're going to look at today. Only because I've always said I'm not really a fan. However, this is my first Air Jordan 1. And I have to say, looking at these, I am pleasantly surprised at the sneaker. Today, we are going to look at the Air Jordan 1 MID SE Craft. Supposedly, this is the typical Jordan 1 box, and it is quite a nice box. I especially like the glossy Jordan wings. It gives it that expensive feel. Now I have to say that I am not the biggest fan of the Jordan 1. Expecting Jordan 1s to feature in this video, then
do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
The closest I have got to a Jordan 1 is the Nike Selwood Mid. Hold on. If you don't know what that is, one of these. And this is quite a light trainer. Well, it feels light. It's probably heavy, but it feels like you can see that it's got a lot of similarities. So I'm not sure what happened and why it didn't transfer to the Jordan 1s. Having these, the Nike Air Jordan 1 MID SE Craft, Incel Fossil Stone, Celestial Gold, Taupe Haze, that's a bit of a mouthful, to hand, I must say it is a must-have for any sneakerhead or Jordan fan. With a retail price at £125, it offers great value for money with good craftsmanship and attention to detail. The Craft SE standing for Special Edition, is Jordan decided to take this silhouette and use different materials to construct it. 3 things you get by doing this. 1, a new and refreshed look to a classic silhouette. 2, Nike compressed these at a reasonable price now and not follow the hype beast. And 3, enticing people who are on the fence like me and moving them to pull the trigger, i.e. get new customers. Nike decided to sell these on the Nike website rather than on the sneakers app. So that implies that there's a bigger run of trainers than the limited editions that they usually put out. At the moment, there are a lot of sizes still left on the website. So you do have to go on the website quite quickly because every time I go on the website, a size goes out of stock. So if you like this Taupe Mid, then you probably need to jump on the website quite quick. Materials on this sneaker, wow, it does look quality. Different suedes on the upper feel soft. The canvas, which seems to be in place of the typical leather, does seem tough and hard, serving the purpose of keeping the silhouette shape. So when I say the materials, especially the canvas, I was surprised at how solid the toe box was of this silhouette. So you can hear that, can just about, and I'm putting quite considerable amount of pressure. So this is quite a solid toe box or toe protector. Features I really like about this sneaker are the inside out toe box is just different. The deconstruction look at the ankle and the top of the tongue. Rest in peace, Virgil. The colours, I do like the contrast and the use of natural tones. This is well matched and looks really nice to hand. The photos doesn't do it justice, let me tell you that. And the embroidered Jordan wings at the back, that is nice. Let's talk about the fit. The shoe runs slightly big, so you can go half a size down. Now this was recommended by Nike, and I was surprised at that, so I thought it was true to size. But when I actually got it, put it on, there was restriction, and I found that the restriction was here. So around this area of the toe box, the top of the toe box. I did do a bit of digging, and from the digging it says that this is a natural feeling at the beginning. You wear it more, you'll break it in. As I've been wearing it, it actually has got more comfortable. Overall, the Nike Air Jordan MID SE Craft is a great choice for anyone looking for a high quality, comfortable and stylish shoe. Its combination of classic design, premium materials and detail does make it a must.
Moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets didn't taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets didn't taught me.
We are heading towards the 1K, so if you want to stay with me on this journey, then please subscribe for another Air Jordan review and check out this video.
Came from broken homes and broken dreams to getting paid. Dollar bill, listen close, this is not a drill. Niggas hungry trying to get a meal. I've been in life, who gon' pay a bill?